morning! We are continuing our journey today in kind of Indiana / Louisville, Kentucky. But today's agenda is the actual show itself. So yesterday was more like a travel segment and getting here and just kind of a vibe. Brooklyn is asleep still, kind of. I don't know if she's awake.
I'm dead.
Brooklyn's dead and it's 8:15 technically.
No, it's 9:15.
Oh, is my Fitbit running? So I think the agenda for this morning is obviously eat because I need that. Also, I don't know how this happened, but when Kayla drinks, it does. Look at this puppy. Look how that's black and bluer than my ass. I don't know what that means. My ass isn't black and blue. Looks like somebody punched me, but I don't know what happened. That's it. I was Irish jigging it like Jack Dawson on the Titanic in that scene. Okay, listen. We got but that's still exciting. And then we got a Porsche sticker. And of course, just like you've seen at the Utterly Euro one, there's a raffle at the end. And then the poster. I don't feel like unraveling it because it's a pain in the dick. So we're not gonna unravel it, but it's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get to it, get some bracky. That's it right now. Okay, bye. All right, so quick update. We skipped breakfast. We're warming up the cars right now, and then we're gonna head over to the show because they're just starting to let people in. We got Lars coming over here in the M2. Don't hit my door, brother. Right? Lars! That's pretty good. Ready to frickin' rip. Tater chip.
Let's go.
All right. I have to take a deuce. Nobody cares. Hopefully we won't end up across the river in Louisville this time. All right, so we're gonna start ripping. I'm gonna get back to you once we get there. We're washing Lars's car now. Hey, look, it's Dave. Oh my God. You guys remember Dave? We're taking the back roads. Oh, no one's with me. Wow. Okay.
Gen Civic, 7th gen.
I have no clue.
Dave wants it. I can see Dave driving a 5 Civic.
Really wants a squeegee right now.
Yeah.
Squeegees are terrible for you.
Not if you get the right ones.
No, because they grab dirt and you scrape them all over your car.
Not if you rinse all the dirt off. There is nothing like the German car community. Nothing like a good Turbsky boy in the morning. This is interesting. Not bad.
Rev it, you won't.
Really? Like, oh my gosh, when we were ripping down under the bridge, this Karen just shook her head. I was dying. Disturbing the peace. Everyone apparently remembered their tag to put in their rearview mirror, except me. So, I mean, they're gonna let me in anyways, but I just have to run back to the hotel room to grab it. But, of course, I would be the one to forget my tag. Alright, so just got to the show. Anyways, so we actually just went to go get some food, and we were there for like a good solid 2 hours. This is our first time actually walking around the show, so even walking up here to our cars, we've seen some pretty cool builds. crackle tune. I already have stage 2, and he says it doesn't cost anything. I'm like, wait, you can do it today? And he's like, yeah, we can do it today. I'm like, oh my god. So we're going back at 4:30, and I'm gonna get a crackle tune today. And my favorite part of it all is that when you put it in race mode, it does it, but when you put it out of race mode, you don't have to have it constantly on all the time. So I'm like, I didn't know that. I thought it was like you had to have it on all the time and you couldn't turn it off. So this is exciting. Everyone's excited. I'm sorry I'm overreacting. No, I'm not. Bye. Custom Euro plate. The only other Euro plate I've ever owned was on my Audi TT. Why did I say owned? Like I was like owned, like I'm in Kentucky getting an accent or something. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Are you ready? Rated R. I got carbon fiber background with white lettering, obviously. So. Pretty cool. They're gonna start doing raffles pretty soon here, and also I think the guy said around 4:30 to 5 o'clock he was gonna be calling me to come over to the APR tent so then they can reflash my car so I can have the crackle too. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm not gonna shut the hell up with all the time.
5 more minutes.
Gorgeous. Our show is obviously over. Nothing much really going on except the fact that I am currently getting my crackle tune right now, so we will get to hear that shortly once we get going. Actually, Brooklyn doesn't feel very well, so Lars and I are going to pick up some stuff and things for her to feel better, but we're also going to be able to listen. So Lars, you're going to be responsible for recording the sounds and the noises. Maybe. Still warming up. I heard a little bit of a...
Mine takes a while, so...
He's like, hold up. Maybe it just don't work. I was gonna say, yeah, that's... Yeah, I know. It's hard to find neutral or anything. I'm so pumped. I need it to happen. Oh,
there it goes. Thinking about it.
Little throaty. Come on, honey. Okay, so we just heard the first couple of... Can you go? Can you go? Can you go?
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, thanks.
Get straight, yep.
Too late, we're going straight!
Yes, we are. It's a left on Ohio Avenue.
It's so... I'm gonna have to shift a lot different. Like, this is weird.
So I know on mine,
here?
yeah.
Okay.
On mine, in Sport Plus, when it does the burbles and stuff, it does the same thing. Like, it's more aggressive on and off.
Yeah.
So I think it has something to do with what causes the burbles.
Okay.
But I don't know that for a fact. It's just a theory. It sounds really good though. Like, it's not annoying at all.
It's subtle. That was good.
It's definitely becoming more
A little bit.
more apparent. So it's probably as it's warming up, it's gonna get louder.
Turn left onto East 8.
We are back in the room. Brooklyn's been in the room. Lars and I went to go get the essentials for Brooklyn because she's not feeling well. 7-Up, saltines, you guess what the rest was. I'm happy you do. And we're like, wow, this box is very full. How are we gonna eat all those? And now that you said that you like saltines, we don't have an... I think this is a conclusion for tonight. I don't know what to do for the rest of the night. We don't know what we're gonna do yet, so. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it was very patchy, all over the place, and I don't know what was going on half the time, as much as you probably knew what was going on half of the time. But thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the stuff, the things and the stuff. Meme of the week is gonna be right here by this door. That looks like the desert in Saudi Arabia. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.